In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wrike account. We'll walk through the entire sign-up process together, step by step, so you can start using Wrike for your projects in just a few minutes. Go ahead and open your web browser on your computer. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the address bar or search box, type the word Wrike. This is the name of the work management and project collaboration tool we're setting up. Press enter to run the search. You should now see a list of results related to Wrike. Look for the official Wrike website in the search results. It will typically appear near the top and should clearly mention Wrike as a work or project management platform. Once you've found it, click on that result to go to the Wrike homepage. On the Wrike website, you want to look for the option that says Try Wrike for free. This is usually highlighted as a button near the top of the page. Click on Try Wrike for free to start the account creation process. Wrike offers a trial, so you can explore the features without entering payment details right away. You should now see a sign-up form asking for your email address. In the email field, type in the email you want to associate with your new Wrike account. It's best to use an email you regularly check, since Wrike will send you important notifications and your confirmation message there. Double check for any typos to avoid issues receiving emails. Once your email is entered correctly, click the Try Wrike for free button again to continue. After clicking, Wrike will either ask you for a few more details directly on the site, or send you an email with a confirmation link. Keep your inbox open and check your spam or promotions folders if you don't see it right away. From this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These may include confirming your email address, creating a secure password, entering your name, and possibly answering a few quick questions about how you plan to use Wrike, such as whether it's for personal projects or for a team. Take a moment to read each screen carefully and complete the required fields. Once you've finished those steps, your Wrike account will be created and you'll be taken into your new workspace, ready to start organizing tasks, projects, and collaborating with your team.